A superstition or maybe. Yeah. There's something that you guys.
Bawal po maglinis sa gabi po kasi baka lalabas daw po yung blessings. Opo, yung swerte.
Sa gabi? That's the first time I heard that. Your house must be a mess.
Hindi ko alam kung superstition to, but di ba taon-taon tatalon ka?
Ano naman sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam kung ba't nakakatawa. So anyway, ginawa ko yan every year. So, I can prove to you hindi totoo yun.
Ako yung parang hindi ko alam kung sinusunod ng lahat yung parang before, when we're doing shows, bawal kumain ng mani. I don't know, parang nakuha ko siya kay Miss Philippines. Kasi parang hindi magiging maganda yung outcome ng isang show kapag kumain daw ng mani. I don't know if you guys follow.
It slows down production though.
I thought it was bad for the throat or something, no?
Kasi
that too.
So may explanation si Regine because she's well versed with these things.
With what?
These things. Hindi kasi, alam ko nag-umpisa sa Greek. Sa theater, di ba nag-umpisa? So, they were having a show. Backstage, someone was eating nuts, choked, and died. So that's why it was deemed malas. The whole industry.
Dito ba sinusunod yun? Yung
Ako ay...
Sorry. Yung pagpag? Pagpag? Yung when you go to...
Awake.
Awake.
Yeah.
Diba? Kaya maraming multo daw sa convenience stores. Kasi doon nagpapagpag pala. Bago ko yun. So yung mga multo, doon nag-hangout. Diba?
I remember when I would go visit my hometown in Camalig, Albay, in Bicol, that the superstitious belief then was if I had water or if anybody had a balde ng tubig, you can't just throw it out the window. You have to say tabi-tabi ko. Tabi-tabi ko, because they believe that there were spirits out there and if they get hit by what you throw out, then bad luck and all. But of course, these were things I've heard. I didn't practice it, but that's what I grew up listening to.
From Hawaii.
Ako pa naman kasi natutunan ko to kay Kim. Sa Chinese naman, yung lid ng arenola, ano ba tawag ng toilet, kailangan nakababa. Kasi parang papasok ba yung madumi. So actually it's very lucky. And very hygienic kasi hindi pa pag-flush mo nakagano kailangan. So yun, na-practice ko yun. Thanks, Kim.
Ako naman, yung isa sa mga superstition ko, Chinese half Filipino. Dapat every Monday nagsusuot ka ng kahit na anong red sa katawan mo. Kasi tanggal ng malas talaga yun. Every first day of the week.
Di ba meron din yung pag bumagsak yung kinidor habang kayo kumakain? Bigla na babae, pag kutsilyo lalaki daw, parang gano'n.
Pagkutsara babae. Pagkutsara babae.
So, Grayson, you win the award for the most unique question. And that's the first ever. And just, we'll try to give one more question to Peter of Pacific Rim Video.
Peter! How are you guys doing? It's so